Introducing the Focus 89 Wi-Fi Indoor Camera. The safe and secure Wi-Fi connectivity lets you stream live in HD from your phone or tablet using the Hubble for Motorola Monitors app. Capture those precious moments, no matter where you are, with in-app video recording and secure cloud storage. See what's going on in your home, day or night, with a true color filter for optimized viewing in low light and a night vision mode. Keep an eye on your home while multitasking with picture-in-picture viewing mode. Set up virtual boundaries to monitor important areas such as back doors or windows, and set customized alerts for movement into or out of the zones. Receive alerts straight to your phone when motion or sound is detected. Warn off unwelcome visitors with two-way talk.
Hey, the police are on the way. Get out now.
Or use it to see, hear, and chat to your loved ones from anywhere. Save time and see what matters most with a daily video summary of the key motion-triggered events from the past 24 hours. Capture more of what matters with a 90-degree wide-angle view and digital zoom and tilt, or use the remote pan to turn the camera to privacy mode as you like. You can also access and control your Motorola monitor using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, making staying connected with your home and loved ones easier than ever.
Setting up Arlo wire-free is fast and easy. However, if you do run into issues during the installation with motion detection or the alerts, there are some common troubleshooting tips you'll want to know. In this video, we'll review several of them. Arlo cameras have a 110-degree viewing angle. Proper positioning will ensure that you get the most out of your Arlo system. Position the camera so the space that you want to monitor is within the camera's field of view. Be sure to mount the camera at least 7 feet from the floor, aimed slightly down, and positioned for side-to-side movement across its field of view. If your camera is not detecting motion, or if it's detecting motion you don't want it to, the motion sensitivity may need to be adjusted. Use the motion detection test to find the optimal motion setting for each camera. To open the motion detection test, go to Settings, My Devices, select your camera, then click on Motion Detection Test. Start at a low setting and walk in front of the camera. Keep moving and increasing the motion detection setting until the camera's front LED indicator light starts blinking. This means the camera has detected your motion and can be set at this level. Remember, the motion detection test is simply an assessment. To change your camera's level of sensitivity, click on the Mode tab and select your base station. Then, click the pencil icon next to the mode. Tap the pencil icon to edit when motion is detected and drag the bar to adjust the motion sensitivity. In some cases, your camera may be detecting motion, but you're not receiving the alerts. In this case, either your email address is not confirmed or the alert setting is accidentally disabled in the rule. First, check this by navigating to Settings, then Profile. If you've not confirmed your email address for motion alerts, you'll see a message indicating this. Click on the Confirm link to receive a confirmation email. Open your email and complete the verification process for the email notifications to begin. If this doesn't solve the problem, check the rule settings by going to Mode, selecting a camera and tapping the pencil icon under Email Alerts. You can also add additional email addresses for receiving alerts by selecting Edit. For more troubleshooting tips, head to support.arlo.com.
Then you have their owner's manual. Actually, it's in color. Most of these are in black and white, this is nice. One thing I wanted to comment on is the packaging. So the NVR is packaged in a nice bubble wrap. That's super nice. As far as all the unboxings I've done for security cameras, this is by far one of the better ones I've seen, actually. So here you have the actual NVR itself. They have a few LEDs here. Infrared, looks like they may have a remote that you can use. Hard drive status light, power status light, and run status light, and their logo right there. They do have a QR code on the top, so it looks like you can scan that with your phone to easily set up the device itself. On the back, they have a VGA cable port, HDMI, WAN port for Ethernet, USB, and the 12-volt DC adapter port. And then you got the Wi-Fi antennas here. So you can hook this up to a computer monitor if you wanted to, or an HD television. So the first box has all the cables and cords. You have the Ethernet cable. You have the power plugs for all of the actual cameras themselves. You have the power plug for the actual NVR itself. So it says for video recorder. Then you have the mouse for the actual NVR. So you can click around in the menus. Cameras themselves. This is one of the cameras. Nice hard shell, metal shell. Looks like LEDs for night vision. And then you have the camera itself there. Maybe a little infrared sensor. Logo on both sides with a little sunshade, so that's nice. The mount is very sturdy. The one thing about the mount that I do not like, that I already noticed, is it has an Allen key for the adjustment. You have the Wi-Fi antenna. And then you have the power cord that goes through here. Also, I wanted to note it has Ethernet cable port for it. So if you didn't want to do Wi-Fi only, it looks like you can do Ethernet. And then you got the power connector right there. And then, like I've seen before, it's got this foam padding, and then also it's got this little pass-through, so if you want to mount it on the wall, you're not crimping the actual cable itself, or you can put it through the wall if you wanted to.
Alright, so I went ahead and hooked up one of the cameras itself to my front door area, and it was super easy. All I've done is plugged in the actual NVR to the wall, hooked up the HDMI to the TV, plugged in the mouse, and here we are. So it went ahead and said, actually at first it told me there's no hard drive in the system. So that is one thing you need to understand, is it doesn't come with a hard drive to record onto. So you really need to be cognizant of that when you order this. So if you're going to order this, go ahead and order yourself. So you have multiple options here you can set up. You can do, it looks like you can control pan and tilt cameras. So it looks like you can actually connect other cameras that HeimVision sells onto this. But you can do system setup, video backup, color adjust. You can add a Wi-Fi network to this. There's a setup wizard. All right, so I have 3 cameras up now.
Welcome to Ring Alarm. We're glad you're one of our neighbors. Ring Alarm puts a ring of security in and around your home using different types of security devices. The base station provides security for your entire home. The contact sensor monitors a door or window in your home. The motion detector watches a room inside your house for motion. The keypad is the physical control panel for Ring Alarm. The range extender expands your network so a distant device can talk to the base station. Together, all these devices make up Ring Alarm. Your Ring Alarm system monitors sensors to put a ring of security in and around your home. Ring Alarm includes 3 security modes to fit your needs. Away monitors all the sensors in and around your home, giving you the most security when you're not there. Home monitors sensors around your home, but ignores the ones inside, giving you freedom to move around your home. Disarmed doesn't monitor any sensors, allowing you to go in and out easily. These 3 modes allow you to keep your home's security in sync with you. You can change your security mode from the Ring app or keypad. To change modes using the app, open the dashboard, then tap the new mode. To change modes on the keypad, enter your 4-digit access code, then choose the new mode. As an owner, you can add shared users and assign each of them unique 4-digit access codes. When Ring Alarm is set to Away and Armed or Home and Armed, it monitors sensors in your home. If a door opens or a sensor detects motion, the system will alarm. If you're signed up for professional monitoring and out of the 7-day practice mode, you'll get a call asking if everything's okay. If you can't be reached, the monitoring center will call your other emergency contact. If either you or your emergency contact confirm things are wrong or give an incorrect verbal password, the local authorities will be dispatched to you. When they come, they'll make sure you're okay, then walk you through the premises to check the area. If the authorities are dispatched but find nothing wrong, you may be charged a false alarm fee. There are a few things you can do to eliminate false alarms. First, make sure your emergency contact's information is up to date and that they know your verbal password. The verbal password lets the alarm company know that the person they're talking to is authorized to make decisions about your safety. You can change it in the monitoring settings of your Ring app. Second, make sure that you've installed your sensors properly. Finally, review the system with your family and be sure they understand how to use Ring Alarm and its security modes. Welcome to our neighborhood. With Ring, you're always home.
Wow.